All right, you discerning knowledge seekers, welcome back. You sent us this stack of sources on Inception Point AI. Clearly got you thinking. Maybe a little freaked out.
Freaked out is one word for it. Yeah. We're looking at a company that makes our, humble Swetlana AI podcast. All 251 deep dives feel a bit quaint.
Like a little artisanal side project, right?
Exactly. They're not just playing the game. They're basically manufacturing the whole damn stadium and filling it.
Okay, welcome to this deep dive from the Swetlana AI podcast, episode 251. If you haven't already, maybe hit that like and subscribe.
Yeah, do us a solid. Before the real AI overlords decide we're just inefficient.
Right. Replace us with something that churns out 3,000 deep dives a week. Not that we're feeling threatened.
Not at all. So Inception Point AI, let's get into it.
Okay, so your sources point to former Wondery exec Jeanine Wright leading the charge.
Yep.
Mission, flood the zone with AI audio. That's the quote.
And they're not messing around. The goal is 5,000 shows, 5,000, pumping out 3,000 episodes a week.
3,000 a week. Across their, Quiet Please podcast network, the sheer volume is staggering.
It really is. And apparently they've already hit 10 million downloads since September 2023. So it's not just ambition.
Right at that quote, right? We believe that in the near future, half the people on the planet will be AI.
And we are the company that's bringing those people to life.
Yeah.
Pretty bold. They're building up, 50 AI personalities?
Yeah, Claire Delish, the food expert, Nigel Thistledown, the gardener, the whole gang, aiming for them to be actual influencers.
So not just voices reading scripts. They want them to be someone. It's a lot.
And the economics. This is where it gets, kind of wild for us, right? Your sources say they make each episode for $1 or less.
Under $1, which means, they turn a profit if maybe 20 people tune in? Before overhead, sure, but still.
And it takes them about an hour. Idea to launch.
Roughly an hour, yeah. Puts our meticulously crafted 251 deep dives into perspective, doesn't it?
Just a bit. Makes it look like we're writing haikus over here.
Very thoughtful haikus, though. But yeah, this raises huge questions, right? Scale, discovery. How does anything find an audience?
Well, they're using AI for that too, apparently.
Yeah.
Spotting trends on Google, social media.
Right. And then launching, say, 5 different versions of a show, like 5 whales podcasts, all slightly different SEO tweaked titles, see what sticks.
And when something works,
they just replicate and scale, hit unit profitability on, a pollen report concept. Bam, suddenly there are 500 pollen report podcasts.
Holy shit, 500 pollen reports, the sheer volume.
Volume as a strategy, it's something else.
Now, obviously, some people hear this and just scream AI slop. That's the knee-jerk reaction.
But Jeanine Wright apparently calls those people lazy Luddites.
Ouch, yeah, she said, because there's a lot of really good stuff out there, so, not slop in their view, just efficient.
Mass-produced genius, perhaps? Her co-founder, Josh Taylor, sort of frames it as coexistence. Like, these AI shows can cover super niche stuff humans wouldn't bother with.
Things too specific, maybe too dull for a human host.
Potentially. Or just not, economically viable for a human to spend time on. It does make you think about value. Is it the human touch or just getting the info you need fast?
Still makes our 251 feel artisanal. Maybe a little too artisanal.
Yeah, perhaps. So how are they actually doing this? The tech side?
It's pretty nuts. 184 custom AI agents using a mix of models, OpenAI, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini.
So not just one LLM. A whole team of AI is working together.
Yeah, guided by a small human team. 8 people total. 4 on content, just steering the AI for titles, outlines, scripts.
Interesting. And they have ethics rules.
Apparently. Hosts have to say they're AI. No fake backstories. For now, anyway. And the CTO, William Corbin, said they're trying not to make AI pals people form deep relationships with.
Okay, so no AI dating shows just yet. That's a relief. Maybe.
Yeah, for now. So, okay, wrapping this up, what's the takeaway for you listening out there and, well, for us?
Yeah, are we looking at some kind of audio singularity where it's just quantity over quality, niches everything?
Or is there still room for, our quaint little deep dives, our haikus?
It's definitely something to chew on. But hey, look, before you dive headfirst into 500 different pollen reports,
please don't.
Maybe like and subscribe to the Swetlana AI podcast. Just saying.
Yeah, and drop us a comment. Let us know if number 251 still cuts it.
Or if we need to, scale up for reasons. Efficiency, right.
Efficiency. We'll see you next time.